Hello everyone! We have already discussed Darwin's 5 years voyage on Beagle's ship and went over his observations as well as his theory of natural selection that he put during 1838. Knowing that this theory would get criticized, he only told his friends about it at first. And during that time, he was getting ready to answer the questions about the theory or the expected criticism he will receive. However, something has changed during 1858. During that time, Darwin realized that another naturalist named Alfred Russel Wallace had also studied life forms and had reached the same conclusions as Darwin, which allowed Darwin to publish his work concerning natural selection theory. Darwin and Wallace published a scientific paper on natural selection jointly, although it was Darwin who went on to develop the ideas further, which helped him publish his theory and further develop it. In 1859, he published his new famous book, The Origin of Species. This book changed forever the way in which biologists think about how species arise. Darwin went on to suggest that humans could have evolved from ape-like ancestors, for which he was ridiculed and criticized, especially from the religious men, and on many newspapers. So as you can see in this picture, the newspapers were making fun of Darwin. So Darwin's ideas were unpopular and many newspapers of the time made fun of Darwin's theory. So during that time, people actually misunderstood his ideas.